Click on the report option to see the data quality report. As we can see, we get a brief summary of all the data quality descriptions that we gave. So coming to the data profile summary, we see that the score is 95%. And we can see the total number of rows, the total columns, the storage, the duplicated rows, the missing cells, which are both 0, and the missing and duplicated in percentage. Similarly, if we come below, we can see the columns, their data types, and their values, their missing values, their distinct values, and their unique values, rating, as well as the chart. And this is present for all the columns for the line item dataset. If you want to further drill down into further detail, you click on the detail option, and this will give us a description of on a granular level of each particular column. So for example, for L tax, when we come to the statistics, we see how many distinct records are there, how many unique records are there, how many null records are there. Similarly, for how many positive records, negative records, and 0 records. We come down to the statistics and we see the maximum, the quartile, the median, and so forth. We see the box plot as well as the distribution. If we click on the sample value, we can see the corresponding sample values for L tax column, maximum values, minimum values, and frequent values. And similarly, as L tax, we have the description for each and every column in the line item dataset. After profile summary, we now come to the attribute check. We come to the dictionary part of it, and if we remember, this is the condition that we gave. This is the list of values that we gave for our dictionaries, and so corresponding to that condition, we have these particular failed rows, these 10,000 correct rows, total rows, and the failed percentage is 74.95%. The failure condition, like why our data quality failed, is also mentioned in the right hand side. If you see, the N and R values are not present in our dictionary, and therefore they have failed. The total number of records with N value are 5,033, and similarly for R there are 2,462. This data quality issue, we can click on the action option there. You can see that most of the data is populated by default. If there is anything that we want to change, we can change it. And once we click on the save option, a JIRA is raised to the respective person, and you get your corresponding JIRA ID as well. Coming to the pattern, we see we gave a pattern, and then similar to dictionary, we have the failed rows, total rows, and then the reasons, all the column values for which our pattern check failed. Similar for range, we saw that we gave a particular range condition, and in this scenario, we see that all rows have passed and there is not even a single failure here. So we get this pop-up that all rows have passed. Coming to expression, we gave a particular expression here, and then again on the right hand side, we get why our expression condition has failed for certain rows. Now we come to the integrity check. Here we have primary key, reference key, bridge key, with a very descriptive analysis of what has happened and why the records have failed. Then we come to functional check, where we see our condition of functional check in both relational and pair. Similar for the advanced check, we see per column wise what is the failed, what is the total, what is the failed percentage, as well as the SQL that ran against that particular column. We have this copy option present, which we can use to run it on our database and get all the data. With this, we come to an end of our data quality application demonstration. Do let us know in case of any queries. Thank you.